This is a CP65PM Coil Platform, used to hold the test coil for inspecting ferrous tube and bar. I'm going to show you how to insert your coil and bushings and get things ready for operation. These are the parts you will need to set up the eddy current test for operation. From your left, the Minimac 50 or 55 eddy current instrument. A cable to connect the coil to the instrument. Behind the cable is the CP65PM. 2 3-piece bushings, 2 bushing holders, and the XES test coil. This is our Mac XES coil, which I'm going to insert into the coil platform. It can be inserted either way, it doesn't matter. Next, I'm going to show you how to assemble the bushings. This is a 3-piece bushing. It has a bushing cap, a bushing insert, and a steel pole piece fastened together. These are inserted into a knurled bushing holder. I'm placing the pieces together with the bushing steel piece facing out and the knurled part of the holder facing out. Now, I insert the assembled bushing into the coil platform. With the steel piece toward the coil, line it up, twist, and lock into place. Next, I do the same thing on the other side. By using bushings on both the inlet and outlet side of the coil platform, we make sure that when you are testing, the test piece is firmly held and positioned correctly as it goes through the test coil. All you need now is to insert the cable into the connection on the top of the coil and twist to lock it into place. The other end is connected to the electronics. And now you are set up and ready to run.